Today we're talking about exponents and order of operations. An exponent tells how many times a number, the base, is used as a factor. A power has two parts, a base and an exponent. So if we see here, 2 to the fourth power. 2 is the base, 4 is the exponent. The exponent 4 tells us how many times we're multiplying the 2, the base. 2 to the fourth power is the power. So how would we simplify this? How would we simplify 2 to the fourth power? Simplify means to replace it with its simplest name. Or in other words, what would be the answer to 2 to the fourth power? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The exponent tells us how many times we're multiplying the base. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2. Let's say 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. 2 to the fourth power is 16. When we have, for example, 2 with the exponent 3, we can call this 2 cubed. Yes or no? Yes. 2 cubed. So when the exponent is 3, we can call it 2 cubed, and that means 2 times 2 times 2. When we have 2 with the exponent 2, we can call it 2 squared. 2 times 2. So when we're talking about order of operations, we can remember order of operations using the acronym PEMDAS. Or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What does P stand for? P stands for parentheses. And I'm going to write my parentheses in here. Parentheses or any grouping symbol. What's a grouping symbol? The brackets. What if you have a fraction bar? That means you perform numerator and then you perform whatever's in the denominator. So P for parentheses, that's the first thing you do. After parentheses, you evaluate or you simplify any powers or exponents. What are the exponents? Let's say you have 3 to the fifth power. You evaluate anything with exponents. Then multiplication or division, whatever comes first from left to right. Multiplication, division, whatever comes first from left to right. After that, addition and subtraction. Same thing, whatever comes first from left to right. If we have to simplify 25 minus 8 times 2 plus 3 squared. We write down our order of operations on the side. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, whatever comes first from left to right. Addition and subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right. Where should we get started with this problem? Okay, so we don't have any parentheses. What's 3 squared? 3 times 3, which is 9. And we still have 25 minus 8 times 2 plus 9. What comes next? We did exponents, multiplication or division. do we have, what comes first from left to right? Subtraction, multiplication right here. So what do we have? 8 times 2 is 16. So we still have 25 minus 16 plus 9. What comes next? Subtraction or addition or subtraction, whatever is first from left to right. And in this case it's subtraction. What's 25 minus 16? 9. We bring down a plus sign and our other 9. And we can end this problem with 9 plus 9, which is 18. If we have to evaluate, that means we have to find the answer to 3 times a minus 2 cubed divided by b, where a equals 7 and b equals 4. What is the first thing we have to do? We have to substitute our variables with the numbers. This means 3 times 7 minus 2 cubed divided by 4. Now we've got multiplication, subtraction, a power, an exponent, divided by 4. Do we have to use PEMDAS? We have to use order of operations. First things, do we have parentheses? I have a parenthesis here, but do we have anything to work out inside the parentheses? No. So we're done with that. Do we have an exponent? Right here. 2 cubed. That means 2 times 2 times 2. What does that equal? 8. We still have 3 times 7 minus 8 divided by 4. What do we do next? Multiplication and division. So what comes first? Multiplication and division. Multiplication. Do we have multiplication? Yes, right here. What's 3 times 7? 21 minus 8 divided by 4. What comes next? Division. 8 divided by 4 means 21 minus 2. Now we finish with addition or subtraction. That's 21 minus 2. Did we follow our order of operations?